Hello students, myself Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. Today we are going to discuss about the various terms or some of terms used in water resources engineering. Okay, so it is an important term. Generally students get confused in these terms. So let me discuss the term about water resources engineering. Okay, and topic is cutoff wall. So first of all, we have to see the picture to understand this properly. Okay, so cutoff wall is given here. It is a cross section of a it is a cross section of a dam, or we can say 3D diagram of a dam structure, in which this side upstream slope means this side is upstream side and this is the downstream side, means reservoir is available in this side. Okay, and to the top width of this embankment or retaining wall is here, top width. Okay, so it is a barrier to retain the water of the reservoir. Okay, so to construct this overall structure embankment, we have to put a core wall here. What is the core wall? It is used to strengthen this structure. It is a main wall, it is a pillar of the structure. So as you know that when pillar is constructed, the foundation is also constructed beneath it. Okay, so cutoff trench is available here. Okay, so overall this wall, or we can say this portion in which the foundation will take place of this core wall, it is known as cutoff trench or cutoff wall. Okay, so definition of cutoff wall is: cutoff wall are a type of seepage barrier structure designed to reduce the flow of water through or around a dam. Okay, in another way, cutoff wall are used to exclude groundwater from an excavation or to minimize the requirement of dewatering, pumping. Most commonly, the cutoff is vertical and ideally penetrates down to a very low permeability stratum such as clay or any soft material that forms a basal seal for the excavation. So cutoff wall, it does not permit any water from upstream side to downstream side below the ground. Okay, below the structure of the dam, means embankment. So if you are able to see this picture, it is a dam construction. It is a picture of during construction of a particular dam. Okay, in which embankment side is provided in front of us, and a cutoff wall is provided here, is being constructed. Okay, this is the another view of a cutoff wall. It is a type of concrete cutoff wall. There may be several type of cutoff wall according to the construction, according to the site availability, according to the soil condition of the particular place in which at which dam is to be constructed. Okay, so there are several terms. Concrete cutoff wall, the height of this concrete cutoff wall is capped generally 20 to 30 meter. So here you can see 29 meter is available. Okay, so slope in the upstream and downstream side is 3:1 and is and 2.5:1. So you can see here, this is a cutoff wall. Okay, this is a cutoff wall in angle shape, bridges over the cutoff wall here, and this is the embankment. So cutoff wall is provided to support the overall structure above it on a dam. Okay, it is also a type of cutoff wall, a giant cutoff wall here. This is a deep cutoff wall which is found during the excavation or during the maintenance of a dam. It is a type of earthen dam, totally made up of earth, means soil, or rockfill material. So it is a type of cutoff wall present in between the embankment. Okay, so this is all about. I think that you are able to all the things about the cutoff and there will be no confusion. Okay, so thank you very much.